Every day, I open my heart and mind to the endless possibilities of wealth and abundance. I am worthy of a life filled with prosperity, and I attract financial success with every positive thought and action. I am a magnet for wealth. Money flows to me effortlessly and in abundance. I trust in the infinite supply of the universe and know that I am deserving of every bit of prosperity that comes my way. My financial goals are within my reach. I see opportunities for wealth all around me, and I take decisive action to seize them. I am confident, capable, and unstoppable on my path to success. The universe provides me with all the resources I need to build a life of wealth and abundance. I am grateful for the financial blessings that come my way and use them wisely to create even more prosperity. My thoughts and feelings are aligned with wealth. I radiate positive energy and attract financial abundance naturally. I am in tune with the rhythm of prosperity and welcome its flow into my life. I am deserving of financial freedom and joy. I release all negative beliefs about money and replace them with a mindset of abundance. I trust in the process of becoming wealthy and enjoy the journey. Every action I take moves me closer to financial abundance. I am dedicated, determined, and disciplined in my pursuit of wealth. I celebrate each step forward and embrace the prosperity that follows. I am surrounded by opportunities to grow my wealth. I recognize and embrace these opportunities with confidence and enthusiasm. The universe supports my endeavors and guides me to financial success. I am a powerful creator of wealth. My mind is focused, my heart is open, and my actions are aligned with my financial goals. I trust in my ability to attract and sustain prosperity in my life. Money comes to me easily and frequently. I am open to receiving wealth in many forms and from unexpected sources. I embrace the abundance that flows into my life and use it to create even more prosperity. I am in harmony with the energy of money. I respect and appreciate the role of wealth in my life. I attract money effortlessly and use it to create a life of joy, freedom, and fulfillment. Every day, I grow more confident in my ability to create wealth. I am resourceful, innovative, and persistent. I turn challenges into opportunities and turn opportunities into lasting success. I am grateful for the abundance that surrounds me. I attract financial prosperity through my positive mindset and unwavering belief in my ability to achieve my goals. Wealth flows to me in every area of my life. I deserve to be financially successful and independent. I release any fear or doubt about money and replace it with a powerful belief in my ability to create wealth. I am a beacon of financial abundance. I am connected to the infinite source of wealth. I attract money through my talents, skills, and efforts. I am committed to growing my wealth and living a life of financial freedom and security. I am a steward of my financial destiny. I make wise choices that lead to abundance and prosperity. I invest in myself and my future, knowing that I am creating a legacy of wealth for generations to come. I am worthy of receiving and enjoying financial abundance. I'll let go of any limitations or scarcity mindset and embrace a life of wealth. I am confident in my ability to attract and manage money wisely. I am constantly expanding my capacity to attract wealth. I embrace new opportunities, learn from every experience, and grow richer in every way. The universe supports my journey to financial abundance. I am a vessel of prosperity, attracting wealth into my life with ease. I use my resources to create positive change and enrich my world. I am grateful for the abundance that flows to me and through me. I am in perfect alignment with the energy of abundance. I attract wealth with every thought, word, and action. I trust in the universe's plan for my financial success and know that I am destined to be prosperous. I make a firm decision to call enormous wealth into my life. I stop resisting money. I no longer have resistance to the prosperity that flows like a river into my life. I am becoming a successful and rich person because I accept it. Now I have all the necessary time, abilities, and energy to successfully complete everything I strive for. I attract more and more money thanks to my firm intention to be rich. I now solemnly vow to connect to the abundance of the universe. This right was given to me at birth. In harmony with my true self, I play the money game. I have a firm intention to be a very wealthy person. I promise not to spare my efforts to realize my financial dreams. I made a firm decision to call for enormous wealth and now begin to live in accordance with my dream. I feel that I attract money wherever I go. The universe always answers yes to my desires, and therefore, right now, I declare with deep confidence, I am becoming a very rich person. My destiny is to be a very wealthy person, and I willingly and with an open heart accept my destiny. My life is moving towards wealth. I conquer this wealth. I accept the idea that starting from this day and onwards, I can be rich. I now have the mindset of a millionaire. I now have the mindset of a prosperous person. I have the mindset of a rich person. I don't limit my thoughts and ideas. I give freedom to my imagination to generate new ideas about how I can become even richer. And I am now financially successful. I make a firm decision to call enormous wealth into my life. I am comfortable realizing that a lot of money comes into my life in various new ways that I accept now. Becoming very rich is my solemn vow to the universe. I feel gratitude as I sense how the universe answers yes to my firm intention. Gratitude and positive feelings are the energy that helps make my dreams a reality. My positive intentions and my strong will attract money to me. I focus on my pure and clear intentions as I get rid of any psychological and emotional barriers. Understanding that attraction requires action, I have a firm intention to take the necessary steps every day. I decide to dissolve myself in infinite abundance. I see how the universe fills my life with money. I choose to live a rich life, richer than I can imagine in my wildest dreams. I live this in my imagination, and I will live this in the material world. I know that my imagination shapes external reality. I believe in the power of the universe. The universe says yes to my thoughts about wealth. I feel gratitude for all the gifts of wealth and prosperity. I have access to unlimited help from the universe. I am now in a state that allows me to prosper in all areas. My savings grow daily. I see myself in absolute abundance. I refuse to despair because the universe is always on my side. I see how the universe fills my life with money. I create abundance through joy, love, and life energy. My rock-solid confidence comes from my firm, positive belief in my wealth. I choose to think like a rich person today and always. I feel like a very rich person. I allow myself to feel success to the fullest. I affirm my trust in the power that will allow prosperity to flow to me. I clearly see the goal. I receive large sums of money. My new rich person's thinking is created with every moment, every day. Every time I feel joy and success, wealth comes to me. Money is energy, and it flows freely to me. The universe has chosen me to make me rich, and today I embrace this destiny. I recognize in myself a rich, wealthy, and successful person. I am this person. I passionately build my wealth. All channels are open. All doors are open for abundance. The higher power always responds to my intentions. I now draw from internal sources of abundance, allowing the universe to bless me with great wealth. I know that the universe has a grand plan to make me a prosperous person. Even if something doesn't go the way I would like, it will still lead me to success and prosperity. This is part of a higher plan that I accept. Therefore, I gladly accept any results of my actions and continue to persistently and diligently move toward wealth and success, no matter what. Every day is a day of progress. I see myself as if I already have all the money I need. I change my thinking to the thinking of a prosperous person. Now, step by step, I'm achieving my financial goals. I have a clear plan that I am systematically implementing. If something doesn't work out for me, it means I don't know something. I am an open vessel for knowledge and information that will help me achieve my goals. Every day I learn something that helps me be a prosperous person. We reach the end of this powerful money affirmation. Take a moment to let these positive energies and thoughts settle within you. Remember, the journey to attracting wealth and adopting a millionaire mindset is about consistency and belief. Listen to this affirmation every day for the next 21 days. This daily practice is key to embedding these empowering thoughts deep into your subconscious, transforming your mindset, and paving the way for financial abundance. Thank you for joining us on this journey to prosperity and wealth. If you found this meditation valuable, be sure to subscribe to our Psychology and Prosperity channel for more inspiring affirmations and uplifting content designed to uplift your mind and soul. Share your thoughts and experiences with us in the comments below. How do you feel after listening to these affirmations? Have you noticed any shifts in your mindset or life? Your insights and stories inspire others in our community to continue their journey toward wealth and prosperity. Don't forget to like this video if it resonates with you and share it with anyone who might benefit from these affirmations. Your support helps us reach more people and spread the message of positivity and abundance. Together, let's continue to build a community of individuals dedicated to personal growth and financial success. Embrace these affirmations, believe in their power, and watch as they transform your life. Until next time, stay inspired and prosperous.